I'm on vacation, but also working remotely from Hawaii. With the time zone difference from the East Coast, I start my day early with a cup of coffee on the patio. Today, I'll be starting a new data project. A typical project can take anywhere from a day to even a year. This is because the job of a data analyst requires more than just analyzing data. In a typical day, a data analyst will manage their stakeholders, have internal meetings, dive deep into data issues, look for the right data sets, maintain existing dashboards, and build data pipelines. In a typical week, I spend about half my time with stakeholders and researching the data before doing any data analysis. Today's meeting is with an applied scientist to understand how he detects changes in data. We're meeting to see if I can leverage his data set to do a similar analysis for my project. One of the things I love most about being a data analyst is the ability to partner with different people, broaden my scope and network. As a data analyst, I don't only meet with the stakeholders who gave me the original requirements, but also with experts who have more domain knowledge I can learn from. After the meeting, I take a break to go on a coffee tour. Being a coffee lover, I was really looking forward to this. The coffee tour is on a sustainable farm that grows their own coffee plants. They even let you taste the coffee beans fresh from the fruit, and it tasted actually sweet. After the tour, they serve you a farm-to-table lunch. The menu was a local fish with grains and vegetables from the farm. It was my first time trying some of the vegetables on the plate. After the tour, I get back online for a team operations meeting. In this meeting, we discuss any on-call tickets, how we resolve them, and really use this time for knowledge share. As a BI team, we have dashboards and data pipelines that we own. And if there are issues like the data is delayed, it's our team's responsibility to ensure the dashboards and reports we create are up to date and accurate. This is where on-call tickets come in. Stakeholders will submit tickets asking questions like, why is the data incorrect? Or why are two dashboards showing different information? This involves troubleshooting the data sets and understanding where it's coming from and how it's being used in the dashboards. As a team, we spend time talking about these tickets and sharing our knowledge with each other. This is, again, one of the things I love about having a data team. For the remainder of my day, I work on ingesting raw data from my earlier meeting. The data is stored in a S3 bucket, which is a cloud-based object storage that allows data to be stored and easily shared. From the S3 bucket, I load the data directly into Redshift, which is a central repository where information from various sources of data is stored for data analysis. To load the data from S3, I use a copy command. After loading the raw data, I then do data analysis to understand the data set. I make a list of all my findings, such as duplicates in the data, questions about how to join different data sets, and how to define attributes, and set up a follow-up meeting for later in the week to discuss these. I'm finally done for the day and we drive over to the beach. Ending my workday on the beach is not so bad. Working while on vacation is not ideal, but I'm thankful that my job as a data analyst gives me the flexibility to balance work with my personal time and to be able to travel while working remotely. I hope you enjoyed a sneak peek of what it's like to be a data analyst working remotely abroad, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.